So today we went to Universal Studios. We were almost there and we saw a huge wall with many Universal Studios characters like Hello Kitty, Elmo. Now we're walking toward Universal. We were running now because we saw Universal Studios enter. And we saw like this thing with Batman, so we took a picture and we were running. We were much closer, and here is the entrance. And we were like running so fast. We were so excited. See, Wonderland, it'll be like Easter, and they were in batches with Easter. And here, Easter Muppy and Elmo. I got a toy with this girl on it. Now we are entering, and we bought a golden pass card. So it's for 1 year you can enter. Now we're buying the ticket. And Snoopy was there. And here are the birds. Yeah. And I was taking picture with the girl and my brother was with the boy. And we had birthday stickers on the cheek. Yeah, and they saw the birthday stickers, so they were singing happy birthday. And now we saw Shrek and Fiona. And Fiona were dancing. And then Fiona saw my brother and she was talking to him. And then she saw me and she started to talk to both of us, but she was talking in English. And Shrek was very big with his ears, and Fiona could speak English very well. And then we saw Shrek and he was shaking our hands. My brother was playing some game with Shrek, and then they were playing together. And then we left. We said bye to Shrek. And then we saw like a big Easter egg over there, and we saw a shop with lights.
So thank you for the watching.